years ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you're running, what you're running to or from. All I know, I wanted to bring you home. Walking in the rain, looking for a ride down this lonely Kentucky back road. Love you much too long, and my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what we go. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down out of the heads of another town that I'll go walking by. Rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph, she graved in your mind, sitting on the bench outside the general store. They said, yes, she's been here, but that memory's not clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. Finding on the ride, her preacher man to us, we're bound such a cold gray afternoon. Drove on through the rain, he listened, I explained, left me a prayer, saying that I'm you. Kentucky rain is pouring down out of the heads of the town that I'll go walking by. The rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, 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 in the cold Kentucky rain. Thank you very much. I got an interesting track there. I found